Your address? Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, and that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the electronics engineering profession in the Philippines. And I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized electronics engineering practitioner. So help me God. Congratulations. Yung pledge of an electronics engineer. Pero pagtrabahuin pa uli namin si Engineer Badon. Ikaw ang mag-administer ng pledge of an engineer. Engineer Badon, please come here.
Kanina, kayo ay nanumpa. Ngayon naman, tayo ay mangangako. Kanina, nangako kayo na yung unang sweldo ninyo ay buong-buong ibibigay sa inyong mga magulang. Ngayon, mangangako tayo sa ating profesyon. Okay? Again, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am an electronics engineer. In my profession, I take the pride but without vain glory. To it I owe solemn obligations that I am eager to faithfully fulfill. As an electronics engineer, I will participate in none but honest and legal enterprises. To him who has engaged my services as employer or client, I will give the utmost of performance and fidelity. I dedicate myself to the analysis, synthesis, and dissemination of engineering knowledge and practice. Zealous of the high repute of my calling, I will strive to protect the interests and the good name of any engineer that I know to be deserving. But I will not share should duty dictate, from disclosing the truth regarding anyone who has shown himself unworthy of the profession. To my colleagues, I pledge in the same full measure I ask of them. Integrity, fair dealings, and devotion to the standards and dignity of the engineering profession that carries with it the obligation to serve humanity with greatest dedication. So help me God. Congratulations.
You may now be seated. Once again, let us give a big round of applause to our